My lord, we have permission to mention, my lord.
Which senior?
Order may lordship leave to favor appeal without certificate calling.
When order was passed,
Order was 22nd May, and we applied for 24th May. But till the is pending, my lord.
why you did not immediately after reopening did not come?
No, we my class
Sorry.
pursuing, my lord.
We have not granted a single leave to anybody. When normal period has expired. No.
Till that is not available, my lord.
Anyhow.
My lord, may I be permitted to mention one application group 2?
Yeah.
My lord, may I be permitted to mention application group 2 primary?
Yeah. That's right. Yes.
My lord, I have to mention, my lord, regarding item number 108, 110 and 112. These are the matters, assigned matter. These are petitioner appellants in custody more than 18 years. And 2 accused have been granted.
Where you were when the last week the entire
My
list
lord, I
was
have checked,
called?
my lord, on
What can be done? Your senior was not there. No. It will be called. Don't worry.
My lord, subject to your lordship's leave, my lord, may I mention before your lordship justice?
Yes.
Lordship, may I leave to file one review application without certified copy? Lordship, as because for last 2 months, the file is not traceable. I have applied for the certified copy on Lordship 26th July.
Tomorrow, today at 3 p.m. or tomorrow at 3 p.m.
Tomorrow.
Code number 558.
Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I'm mentioning for a correction of order dated 24/9.
Our order?
Lordship.
Lord, may I be permitted to mention one matter for application for restoration?
Yes, madam.
Yes, my lord, inclusion, good civil application.
Yes.
application item number 1.
Wait, please, Lordship.
Lordship, this ma'am, for the appellant, my lord, they have filed an application for early hearing, but the copy has not been.
Lordship, this is a affidavit of service, Master. Pursuant to all Lordships.
What is the application?
Lordship, application for conducting the early hearing, my lord. This, my lord, this appeal was preferred in 2013, my lord.
Yes.
And, my lord, the post of peon of this school is.
Yes. This is an application seeking expeditious disposal. Let the matter be listed along with the appeal.
Lordship, the post of peon is vacant for last 14 years, my lord.
Let the appeal and application be listed 1 week after vacation. Next.
Yes, Lordship.
It's item number 2.
This is my application. Respondent number, writ petitioner, respondent number 1 to 4, file the application. Paying for payment of compensatory service benefit for the reason that the school was closed. On the basis of the
assigned matter. Assigned নয় তো কিভাবে এসেছে আমার কাছে?
বলে দাও
কিভাবে কোন গ্রুপ?
মনে করিয়ে দাও
এডুকেশন কিভাবে হবে? এনটিপিসি ভার্সেস
This is
my lord,
education. At the occasion to hear it out, let the main appeal be taken the many day, everything will be disposed of.
my lord,
Applications.
this application has come, my lord, at my instance on my mention.
Your lordship
My lord,
had heard it for
this is
several
an
days.
application for, my lord, paying for compensatory service benefits. Because the school was closed when the respondent number 1 and 4 have, my lord, more than 19 and 46 months service.
I think I had an occasion
Yes,
to hear out this matter.
yes, your lordship.
The school had only 4 students or 5 students.
Yes.
If I correctly remember, my memory does not betray me.
That's why I say, lordship, hard it. Well, lordship, because just for recollection, keeps it any day after the vacation, we'll let
My lord,
the start.
When you want, immediately
My lord,
after reopening.
Immediate after the opening.
My lord, one thing, my lord, I am praying, my lord,
Yes.
in connection of this application. Your lordship, kindly, my lord, in connection of this application.
Then you argue.
No, my lord, I'm not arguing on the main matter. This is their appeal, my lord.
No, your applications you argue. When we are fixing the main matter, immediately
Along with the
after
application.
after vacation, clean matter will be disposed of.
Problem is that, my lord, responding number 15 to 22, my lord, since 2021, they are not paying single.
Sir,
per
can you,
single
if you can survive, kindly visualize from 2021, you can survive for 1 month more. We are fixing this matter. Don't you realize?
Pooja is coming. My lord, we are
Ultimately,
have
ultimately matter has to be
nothing,
decided.
no money we have, but we can
That's true.
spend with
That's
our
true.
family. We have
Yeah,
done
my lord,
celebrated. Yeah, that's why. my lord,
And if you want to argue application, argue
no,
application.
my lord.
My lord,
We are ready to hear.
appeal along with this application will be taken up for hearing. After one issue.
Of money thereafter discarded by of another affidavit where by affidavit.
Whatever you want to file. The applications have been filed in a pending mandamus appeal. Let the affidavit filed by 23 be taken on record. Copy has been served. The copy of the said affidavit is circulated amongst the appearing counsels, everybody, in course of this week. No, we are giving you more time.
More than.
Full stop. After hearing the respective counsels, we feel that the justice will be served if the appeal itself is decided. Final. In such view of the matter, let this appeal, along with all pending applications, be listed 1 week after the reopening of this court following the long vacation. Paper book filed.
Yes, everything.
Number 11.
Done out.
Yes.
Pending the no. In this matter, later past, Sarvati is leading me, my lord.
Follow একটা কামটা জানে
আমাদেরকে সার্ভিস করতে হবে
দিয়েছিলাম
স্টেটাতে কেউ নেই এখানে
My officer says all applications have been disposed of.
পোস্ট অফ হয়ে গেছে
Why it is appearing?
They got to mention the paper.
The পেপার বুক তো দেয়নি পেপার বুক তৈরি
To mention after preparation of paper. After default first in the paper.
Where is the paper book?
পেপার বুক হ্যাজ নট বিন দেয়নি তো ফাইল করেনি
Paper file.
রিপোর্ট আছে
Appears from the office note dated 20th September 2024. That despite the direction passed by the info book has not been filed by the appellate as yet.
Last 2 years.
In default, put up for point lot.
Very good.
Item number 4.
Item number 4, my lord, the advocate on record of the appellant, my lord, has fallen sick, my lord. My lord, I'm praying for to keep the matter after vacation, my lord.
Item number 5.
My lord, I'm for the School Service Commission.
Who is for the appellant? So Orpo Chakru. Or ARP.
Roy is the senior, my lord. Not accepted in the application. Transfer.
Answer na, recommendation.
Recommendation. Section 5 also. There is a section 5 application. Section 5 is allowed.
আগের দিন হয়েছিল।
It has already been allowed. Yes.
তিনটে ফাইল পেয়ে গেল। এক্সপায়ার করে গেছে সেই গ্রাউন্ডে
Telugu medium school.
Telugu medium.
Yes.
New school is that? Other place in support of the application. Pupils are not amending yourself, always using the
Madam.
way.
Madam, sir,
Why
I'm
is it,
appearing on behalf of the appellant.
Yes.
That this is relating to my lord higher scale of pay. But I'm covered by your lordship's judgment of the special.
this application?
But application
Stay.
is for stay.
What's the stay of the operation?
That's
Your lordship
Yes, sir.
wanted to dispose of the matter relying upon the judgment passed by your lordship's special bench. The order impugned is at page 61 of the application.
I am asking whether it is covered by the special bench
Yes.
or.
Yes.
Dictation. Which one?
Paragraph global.
The conclusion.
Sorry.
But kindly takes up the questions answered in the reference.
Paragraph 5, page number global.
Not
So
is
you are coming under GO 1595.
not I have I had taken admission in the course prior to joining of the service.
What I'm
Yes,
saying
yes.
is G.
Yes,
Is G. That is
yes,
paragraph 272G.
yes,
You are coming under
yes.
the GO number 1595. When you joined the service.
I have joined the service
2013.
2013.
26/11/2013.
And registration of
But I
certificate.
had filed a report where the synopsis of the facts are given.
GO is there. The GO was available at that point of time.
The GO is of
2013.
yes, Geo was
Was it
Geo was of
there?
2005.
But we had relied upon
Narrated all the facts.
a notification of
You enrolled for the postgraduate degree in the year July 2011.
Yes, 2000.
You joined on to October 2013.
Yes,
At that time, what was the prevailing GO?
this 2005.
no in the
Is
report.
what we wanted.
But
I-
in the
I
report,
asked, yes.
in the report, I had annexed a GO which is of 27/11/2007, page 6 of my report. The Lordship,
Where is my affidavit?
ওনাদের রিপোর্টটা দাও রিপোর্ট একটা জমা করা হয়েছে আগে ব্রিফে নেই
Report in the format.
but we had relied upon page 6. Your Lordship would kindly seize my
Page 6
page 6
of your
where the
exception. Of your exception.
yes
How-
no
how-
in the report
How 2007 apply?
but that
He
was
not in
prevailing.
service. He was not in service. Can he seek a prior permission from the concerned SPI?
But
You
they are,
you are an advocate. You wanted to pursue higher education. Will you seek an admission, the permission of DI? If you want to apply for a teaching post after 2 years,
my lord,
how can you apply?
he had started pursuing it before he joined the service.
That's true. He did not. That's why we have heard that the candidate who was pursuing at the time of the prior to his appointment. Then why can't he come? Where is the question of 2007? This will always operate prospectively. If he is in service, wanted to pursue higher education, then we can understand permission has to be obtained. But prior thereto,
And the next 2 pages, the West Bengal School Control.
that we have already considered against you.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, it's not. So we are setting aside the order. Said
It's at page.
It's at page 61. And my
what is
request,
this lab IC judgment?
that has been considered by your lordships in the special bench judgment.
Paragraph বলে দেন
What has been held?
The prior permission is not required if the
Which paragraph?
if your lordships takes up page 142, lordship has considered this lab IC judgment.
The MAT number is given, my lord, over there.
And this has been affirmed.
নামগুলো দিয়েছিস monthly November, huh?
That has gone in your favor.
Yes, I relied it in.
Then why the learned judge?
But I'm led by
But
Mita.
court in fact Malad did not go into the flat. Wait for the matter.
The end of page 61 and page 62. That is the reasoning.
Oh, this can't be. This can't. This cannot. This reasons cannot be done. Sorry.
that 2005 has been modified. That has been stated also. Grateful.
applications of this.
এই জাজমেন্টটা
আমি মার্ক করে দিয়েছি।
আর এই জাজমেন্টটা বার করে শোনো অনেক ম্যাটারে একটা একটা তোদের কাছে রেখে দিন। না ওটাই রেখে দিন দরকার নেই। Yes, call the next.
Matter number 7.
I beg to appear for the appellant, Bana.
For the respondent lordship, I'm paying for just a short path one.
Then Mana kindly make it not today. Only advocate for the respondent number 1. Sachi Mukherjee.
This is that matter where private school
Mr.
writ petition was filed.
Where is he?
Lordship, I'm phone number.
Yes. Where is Mr. Mukesh Khanna? Where is he?
Lordship, they are currently engaged in number 7, lordship.
Ankita Nomdi, Kiran Malik, and MD Musa Desai. Where are they?
Lordship, they are currently engaged in court number 7.
All except you. Private and
I'm covered by my lord's judgment, and I have prepared a compilation. Well, I would like to bring all those.
Appellants are the respondents before the trial court. And you are a private school, so you are not an Article 12 authority.
Just a short path one, lordship.
then we are staying the operation of the order. It has been stayed.
Kindly stay thee.
We are staying the. Let him take time. Let him be busy. Let them.
Kindly, lordship. Kindly, lordship.
What kindly?
10, 10.
Then what for you are engaged, sir? You have to, in absence of a senior, you are supposed to argue and carry out. Then what for you are engaged? You are not an advocate in record. So, what is your role, sir? Only to ask for a passover or a adjournment?
Just not today now.
What for you have been engaged in the matter? As a second or third arguing counsel, then you should argue it. Let them come. I have a strong reservations for this. That the counsel should not come with a slate face or cut a sorry figure, having engaged as an arguing counsel. It is a duty of the junior arguing counsel to be ready and then argue. In absence of a senior, come and take over.
The issue of maintenance was taken before the government.
No. Here, my lord, we have taken out an application, my lord.
Cannot should not accept. So, regard versus bull.
It has been not today, my lord.
You are really supporting them. Another way. Suppose if the matter is argued, then other will not do. You have to forego one out of two. We wanted to hear out the matter. And today, my lord, I'm not equipped with all the compilations. I have one set of that. My lord. Not today, next.
Item number 8.
No.
দিয়ে দিই। I tender apology for not annexing the writ petition itself. I am handing over on the
Accepted. Apology not accepted. Why you did not?
it could have been only for the purpose of impugned order of the authority.
We are imposing cost.
Let us.
We are imposing cost on by rejecting your application for skill. So it happened by this order.
Here, compassionate appointment was rejected on the ground of income in respect of the person who was incapacitated. Your Lordship's court, our division bench, I have brought those judgments in respect of the death. This point has not been
But incapacitated, I have delivered many judgments.
I have not got any.
I do not know. When I was sitting singly, I have delivered many
No,
judgments.
that is in respect of I have got one of
No,
them.
no, medical.
Yes, that is I have. But in respect of incapacitated, in case of that is rule prior to rule, not 2010, 11 that point of time. But after the rule, 2009 rule, I have not.
So
That is all I got this. I checked it up to some extent. I may be wrong, my lord.
so writ petitioner's predecessor.
Here, two basic distinction. Kindly see the rule itself. That is why, my lord, I have. My lord, kindly see the rule itself.
So according to you, case of medical incapacitation, financial crisis cannot be a criteria.
No, it is. It is. But that portion, 60-40, has been omitted in respect of incapacitance. Kindly see the rule. I have that is
Show us the rule.
yes, side by side I have checked it. Kindly see this.
Show us the rule.
That point is to be decided. Kindly see the rule. Schedule 5. First, kindly come to the rule 20 and 21. Your Lordship quoted in your Lordship judgment. But in respect of Schedule 5, kindly sees that rule itself. And for better appreciation, I have xerox line by line that rule of 5. And kindly sees this. I have annexed there. And this is what your Lordship will read side by side. Then it will be proper for us to get what portion is omitted in respect of physical incapacitation. Sorry for another.
21 এ বললো যে প্রথমে ছিল নন টিচার
teacher.
কিন্তু 21 এ বললো টিচিং এর জন্যও লাগবে and schedule 5 is appended to the rules সেটা I delivered that judgment with
I have got
Justice
this.
Prasad
Yes, yes.
just few days before.
Yes, yes. I have two judgments, your Lordship. One with my Lord Justice Biswas and another with my Lord Justice. I'm giving this. ওটা কোনটা গো? এটা দেখতে এটা দাও। না না না। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ। Another with my Lord Justice.
was taken.
My Lord Justice Sen.
That was
Just I have two judgments I have brought. Here also,
no,
your
no
Lordship.
medical board was created. That matter.
No, it is in respect of death case. Please.
Anyhow, sure.
I'm placing. Kindly come to the rule itself first.
Yes. Rule 2021.
Rule 2021 is there.
There according to schedule 5.
According to the
So schedule 5.
If your Lordship kindly sees explanation in respect of yes, that is there also. I have given another copy of single page.
Which page number?
Last page.
No, schedule 5. Oh yes.
Acha.
536.
I have given everything there on the bunch as well as xerox.
Yes.
If your Lordship kindly come to the first column number 1, when a teacher and non-teaching staff of harness, this is column number 1 is harness, but spouse, son, daughter. Then explanation, the expression of financial hardship, my lord got it. My lord will find for computation of income of a family.
I understand. And I have already taken note of this judgment.
That is there in respect of death.
Correct.
Now, my lord, kindly come to column number 2. When a teacher and non-teaching staff applies for district inspector of school secondariation for incapacitation.
Yes.
Now, this application will be treated as if medical board, my lord, called that yes, I am incapacitated, then forwarded to the DI on declared them permanent incapacitation to continue service. He may be allowed by the district inspector of school education to retire on and from the date of submission of such application. Therefore, not on the decision dated of the medical board, on the date of application itself.
Only thing is the 2 square mil.
Yes.
2
Now,
square mil.
2 square mil, I'm coming, my lord. Now, permanently retired teacher or non-teaching staff who possessing the retired educational qualification of the land, then one of the legal heirs, spouse, son, daughter, here unmarried daughter, will be provided that. Now, my lord, kindly come to the explanation itself. Explanation part. The explanation financial hardship in relation to the income of the deceased teacher and non-teaching staff from 5 members. All these things are ready. Now here, the amount of earned any other source by each of the family other than provident fund and gratuity. The portion, 40% of the family pension is not. So it is not mentioned.
Has the authority taken into account that?
Entire family income of the
Has the authority taken into account that 40% of the pension?
No.
Then
Entire
pension was taken.
pension was taken. Kindly see, that is why I am pressing. That impugned order column cannot be, your lordship, here, unless it is mentioned in the statute itself. No other. In that case, your lordship,
No. Let me understand. Let me understand. Let me understand. In the first definition,
yes,
it says other than the provident fund and gratuity and 40% of the pension. Means they have to deduct 40% of the pension.
family pension, death, family pension. I was
now suppose pension is also an income, recurring income.
Yes, yes, same.
If they excludes only 2 components, that means impliedly they did not exclude the other components. So if it is only a provident fund and the gratuity, there is no reference of any pension having excluded, then why not, by virtue of a legal fiction, they will be deemed to have been included.
That is why your lordship interpret the judgment in respect of full pension if counts, because the person is lying.
No.
Entire pension has been, gross pension has been added. So if that is so, it cannot be the first state, rule will be first stated then. That this column is not, this column may not be.
Sorry,
your lordship kindly.
No, এটা ছিল না, but যেটা interpret করতে চাইছো, এটা কিন্তু
because group D is gross income.
Not even family pension. The government is specific mode for doing that. You used to add up.
Because of the fact I am giving one example to you, Group D's gross income is fixed at 10,200. The person at the age of 58, if declares incapacitated and got the pension, it will be always higher than 10,200. So if that is so, the very purpose of incapacitation, otherwise the person, why he will make an application for making incapacitation, he will say, let me die and get the 40%. If 100% of the pension is included, gross pension, here included gross pension. And order also cryptic manner taking family pension. Family pension cannot be. It is a gross pension has been added. So I'm thinking in that way. The person declaration.
You are also thinking in that way. I am also thinking in that way. But ultimate decision is varying.
Varying.
You say that it should not be included. I am thinking out, is its inclusion? Why not?
Inclusion.
Why
Then,
not?
my lord, every time at the age of 58, the person who got incapacitated, his pension will be my lord, every time 10,000 exceeded 10,200. The analogy, my lord, may not match with that law of beneficial relation itself. Although it is not a matter of right, exception, your lordship held. And my lord justice, since division bench held, subject to correction, I must be candid to give all these decisions. In respect of computation, also family pension, in respect of a death case, the DA and TA should be excluded, unlike 251.
No, DA is a variable in nature.
Yes.
So you cannot. The state
That should be
government
excluded.
or the central government may not declare DA.
No, 251 of our state government's EMP.
That is what is.
Direct.
So whatever on
The
a
lordship
common
also.
logic, DA is a variable in nature.
Yes. DA and TA should be excluded for the purpose of computation. So here, otherwise 10,200 marks always. But initial gross salary of a group D staff, but kindly sees the impune nature of the impugner. That is why I am placing.
What happened to 10C?
Oh, but till now, it has not been uploaded. But I was thinking that, I have checked it every time or half or 2 hours, but till now it has not been uploaded.
If we go by a strict literal interpretation, literate into now with it.
কমলা প্রসাদ
If we go with a purposive interpretation,
ওইটা দাও তো দাদা
we have to be
ওইটা দাও ওই দুটো কোথায় ওই এটা রাখলো কোথায়
the benefit of the beneficiary that should be adopted. So one should read deep between the lines and even legal fiction.
latest judgment of this bench.
That's it means an amount of income less than the initial. এটা পেনশনটাকে তুমি করে দেবে কখনই হবে না এটাই ভাবছি আসলে ফার্স্ট
It's a farcical approach, nobody would be accountable. কিন্তু তখন একটা গ্রুপ ডি স্টাফ যদি ফিজিক্যাল ইনক্যাপাসিটেশন হয় সেক্ষেত্রে তো হবে না ইনকাম কেন ওর ইনকাম ওর যদি লেস ইট ইজ ওনলি when a higher officer
টিচার নন টিচিং স্টাফের ক্ষেত্রে এক্সপ্লিসিটলি বলে দিল কোনটা বাদ যাবে.
but we need a facts and figure what you are arguing we need facts and figure. The facts and figures are what is the gross salary of the teaching staff, assistant teacher, what is the gross salary of the head teacher, how they are getting a increment in their service careers up to the age of 58. Just 58, at least we should know. So this is how we wanted. And what is the gross salary of the group D? Now there are two aspects. I'm thinking if we go by a legal fiction or purposive interpretation as you want to give, beneficial piece scheme, beneficial piece of legislation scheme, interpretation has to be done in this way, not in a literal way, but in a more purposive manner. Then in that event, I'm just thinking aloud. I don't treat it as mine. That the group D who attained the age of 58, how much gross salary he was drawing? Because he is also getting an